Hi guys, I'm Jean-Christophe Agobert, CEO of Bleujour, a French company, a manufacturer of PC based in France, in Toulouse. So here we are showing our product line based on Intel NUC technology. We have the Cube, our iconic products, a 12 by 12 centimeters mini PC, and recently we are launching the new product based on NUC element technology, the Reach. It's a workstation based on Xeon CPUs and Quadro graphic cards from NVIDIA. So already dedicated for the designer. So on the Cube you can see many different colors. Also materials, this one is a wood version, that one is leather. So it's many different colors. We have a Cube. This one is a fanless, so we don't have any fan on it. It's a totally silent PC. It's based on aluminum chassis, CNC, with some heat pipe inside, and we use a natural convection. That one is a prototype of a new SMB mini PC, always based on Intel NUC platform. So here you can find the Move 2. It's a platform based on Intel NUC technology, NUC element. So on that one we can go from i5, i7 and i9 CPUs with RTX 306 graphic cards. It's a small workstation for designer, architect, and also for gaming at home if people want something different to play game at home. Here you can find Octo. It's our small mini PCs that you can plug on the VESA, on the rear of the monitors. Here is our IoT and embedded platform for industrial solution. Our speakers that we are showing here, the first one that we are going to produce soon. Here we have our Wave. It's a totally fanless desktop computer based on Intel NUC Element U series, and you can replace easily the CPUs for the future. Here we can see our product line for the gamers. This is Move Ultimate. So it's based on a NUC element also. You can go up to RTX 3090 inside, and from i5, i7 and Core i9. And you can take it and go to the LAN party, or if you are a designer you can go home and office with your PC. This is our product line that we are showing at the CES.